Your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, is a key number lenders use to decide if you are a safe bet for a loan. Think of this as a snapshot of your financial health. It compares how much you owe against how much you earn every month. A common benchmark for mortgage lenders is 43%. If your ratio is higher than this, you might find it harder to get approved. When calculating DTI, include all your recurring monthly debt obligations, like housing, car payments, and minimum credit card balances. Lenders look at two ratios. The front end focuses only on housing, while the back end adds in all your other debt for a complete picture. Generally, a lower ratio signals lower risk to lenders, which can lead to better interest rates and easier loan approvals. Keep this ratio low by paying down high-interest debt. It gives you more breathing room in your monthly budget. Understanding your DTI is a great step toward mastery of your money. Subscribe for more basics and save this video for later.